Look at your life right now. Are you truly where you thought you would be 5 years ago? Or are you quietly watching other people live the exact life you want simply because they took action, while you let self-doubt paralyze you? The brutal truth is this: you are not losing because you lack talent or opportunity. You are losing because you stopped believing in yourself after a few temporary failures. Every single day, you question your abilities and slowly give up on your ultimate potential. But unshakable self-belief is not some genetic gift you are born with. It is a mental weapon you build, one day at a time. Welcome to AudioBook Elevate. In this audiobook, you will discover the exact framework to silence your inner critic, rebuild absolute confidence, and execute on your goals even on your hardest days. If you are finally ready to stop holding yourself back, stay until the very end. Your new life begins with one single decision.
Chapter 1. Believe in yourself. Before your life changes, there is a quiet moment that almost every person experiences, even if they never speak about it. It is the moment when you wonder if you are truly capable of becoming more than you are today. It often happens after a major disappointment, after making a mistake, or after watching someone else move ahead while you feel left entirely behind. In that exact moment, the easiest choice is to doubt yourself. The harder choice is to believe that your future does not have to look like your present. That specific decision is where every meaningful change begins. Your circumstances may not improve overnight, but your direction can change in a single day. The first victory is not earning more money or reaching a massive goal. The first victory is deciding that you are no longer going to treat yourself like someone who cannot grow.
Many people spend years waiting for confidence to arrive before they begin. They imagine that successful people wake up feeling completely certain every morning. That is not how real life works. Most successful people started while feeling entirely unsure. They simply refused to let uncertainty become an excuse. Action creates confidence much faster than waiting ever will. Every time you take action, your mind collects proof that you are moving forward. That proof becomes stronger than fear. Think about the way you speak to yourself during difficult days. When something goes wrong, do you immediately call yourself a failure? If you repeat negative thoughts long enough, they begin to sound like facts. Change begins when you choose different words. Instead of saying, "I cannot do this," tell yourself, "I have not learned this yet." Your habits tell the truth about what you actually believe.
Chapter 2. Grow a little stronger every single day. Every person dreams about becoming stronger, wiser, and more successful. Yet many secretly believe that real change must happen through one big event. They think one lucky opportunity will completely transform their lives. Real life tells a very different story. Lasting strength is built through ordinary days that most people completely ignore. Your future is not built during your biggest moments. It is built during the quiet hours when nobody is watching, and when you choose to keep moving instead of giving up. Every day gives you one more chance to become a little stronger than you were yesterday. Strength is not about pretending that life is easy. It is about learning how to face life without allowing every temporary problem to control your permanent emotions. The strongest people are not protected from difficulties.
They simply refuse to allow problems to become excuses. Look back at your own life for a moment. Think about the person you were 5 years ago. You have survived situations that once felt impossible. You have made mistakes that taught you valuable lessons. Growth has already happened. The question now is whether you will continue growing on purpose or just hope that life improves by itself. Many people become discouraged because they judge themselves too quickly. They expect immediate results from a few days of effort. Real growth asks for absolute patience. There is something incredibly powerful about finishing a day knowing you became slightly better than when the morning began. Character develops through repeated choices that slowly become part of who you are. Your daily routine deserves much more attention than your occasional motivation.
Motivation comes and goes because emotions naturally change. If your future depends only on how you feel, your progress will never be consistent. A simple routine gives you direction, even when your emotions are chaotic. Read something that teaches you. Move your physical body. Complete one meaningful task before the day ends. These simple habits create a stronger mind because they remind you that your actions are guided by purpose, not feelings.
Chapter 3. Stop questioning yourself and start moving forward. One toxic habit quietly holds more people back than lack of talent, lack of money, or lack of opportunity. It is the habit of constantly questioning themselves before they take the next step. While they keep asking questions, time keeps moving. Days become months, and months become years. The dream remains the exact same, but the person never gives themselves a real chance.
There comes a moment when you must stop asking your fears for permission. Your life cannot move forward if your mind is always looking backward. Many believe that successful individuals never hesitate. The truth is, they have doubts just like everyone else. The difference is that they refuse to make doubt the leader of their lives. Waiting for complete certainty often becomes just another form of delay. Think about how often you replay old mistakes in your mind. A business idea that failed, or a chance you missed years ago. Your past was never designed to become a prison. It was designed to become a teacher. If you keep carrying old disappointment into every new opportunity, you will judge your future by something that no longer exists. The past is finished. Carry the lesson forward and leave the heavy regret behind.
At some point, you must stop collecting information and begin creating experience. Your confidence grows through real decisions, not endless thinking. Every time you choose to face something you once avoided, your mind learns that you are stronger than you believed. It reminds you that fear does not control your direction unless you allow it to. Learn to make peace with imperfect progress. Keep your attention on the bigger picture. Chapter 4. Build real confidence through daily actions. Real confidence is not something you wear on your face or announce with your words. It is something you quietly earn through the way you live each day. Many people spend years searching for confidence as if it is hidden somewhere outside themselves. They never realize that confidence is created by the small choices they make every single day. When your actions and your values begin to match, something powerful happens inside you. You stop depending on encouragement from other people because you have already started proving your strength to yourself. Think about someone you genuinely respect. You respect them because they keep their word. They stay calm when life becomes difficult. They continue doing what is right, even when absolutely nobody is noticing. One of the fastest ways to destroy your confidence is by making promises to yourself that you never intend to keep. You promise to wake up earlier, improve your health, or learn a skill. Tomorrow arrives, and nothing changes. After enough broken promises, your own mind begins to doubt your words. The solution is not making bigger promises. The solution is making smaller commitments and honoring them with absolute consistency.
There is a special kind of confidence that comes from completing tasks, even when they are painfully boring. Many people enjoy the excitement of beginning something new, but they lose interest when the work becomes ordinary. Growth happens exactly when the excitement disappears and true discipline takes its place. Finishing one project teaches your mind that you are entirely capable of seeing things through. Real confidence is revealed by your behavior when nobody is watching. It appears in your willingness to study after a long, exhausting day. It appears when you choose honesty, even though lying would be much easier. Over time, these moments create something far more valuable than temporary excitement. They create a deep sense of self-respect. Once you respect yourself, your confidence no longer depends on outside applause.
Chapter 5. Keep growing, even on your hardest days. There will be days when getting out of bed feels harder than chasing your biggest dream. There will be mornings when your mind feels heavy before the day even begins. You may carry disappointment, anxiety, or simple exhaustion from trying your best for a long time without seeing the results you hoped for. Those days are part of every meaningful life. Nobody escapes them. The real question is who you decide to become while you are living through them. Many people only believe in personal growth when everything is going perfectly according to plan. But true mental toughness is forged in the dark. It is easy to be disciplined when the sun is shining. But your future is determined by how you act when the storm hits. Keep moving forward, even if the steps are incredibly small. Never forget that the day you stop waiting for perfect circumstances is the exact day you take back control of your life. Thank you for listening to this mental playbook on AudioBook Elevate. If you are ready to stop doubting yourself and start building the life you truly deserve, hit that subscribe button right now. Leave a comment below and let us know which chapter resonated with you the most. Stay disciplined, and we will see you in the next video.